Auzubillahi minash-shaytanir-rajeem. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamu alaikum to all of you, my dear students. I hope that you all are staying healthy. I welcome to all of you to the online recorded sessions of Metropolitan School. My dear students, today we have a very interesting topic, which is unit number 8, the 4 elements, and lesson number 5, the Sultan and the wise man. So you all have to open page number 43. At first we are going to summarize, we are going to revise the lesson, and then we are going to do an exercise related to this story. My dear students, in this story, once there was a sultan who decided to ask a difficult question to a very wise man, who usually have all the answers of Sultan questions. So one day Sultan decided to ask a very difficult question to this wise man. So the Sultan called him and asked him that, do you know how many grains of sand are there in the whole world? Well, this is a very difficult question. What he asked that how many grains of sand are there in the whole world? The wise man thought silently for a minute, and then he said that I can count all the grains of sand. But first, you have to bring all the grains of sand from all the deserts and from all the bottom of the oceans to your palace. If you can bring all the grains of sand and all the grains of sand from the deserts and from the bottom of the oceans, then I can count that for you. But first, what you have to do, you have to bring all these things to your palace. By hearing this answer, the Sultan was amazed and he was surprised by hearing the answer from the wise man, because it is impossible to collect all the grains of sand from all over the world, from all the deserts and from the bottom of the oceans, to collect those grains of sand in one place in his palace. So the Sultan was amazed and he was surprised, and in the end he admitted that the wise man was really a wise man, and he usually have all the answers to all the difficult questions. So my dear students, that was all about lesson number 5. We have revised this lesson, and now we have an exercise related to this story, which is exercise number 2 on the same page number 43. You have to copy down these question answers in your notebook, and you have to memorize all these answers. So let's move towards this exercise. The first question which is given here is, with whom did the Sultan want to argue? The answer of this question is, he wanted to argue with the wise man. The next question is, did the wise man usually know the answers to the Sultan's questions? The answer of this question is yes, the wise man usually knows the answers to the Sultan questions. Question number 3 is, where in the world can you find grains of sand? The answer of this question is, it can be found in the deserts and in the bottom of the oceans. The last question which is given here is, where can you find grains of sand in your town? The answer of this question can be, we can find them at the seaside or at the beach. So my dear students, that was all about our today's lesson. I hope that you have enjoyed my today's lesson. I will catch you next week inshallah with another lesson. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz. Goodbye.